All right, this is a lesson on Ventura Highway by America. We're going to have this little riff to start. So it's a tricky little riff. We got an open 2 open on the little string. Same time as we're doing a 2 3 2 over here. So I use these fingers here. I use the first finger there, and I bring in these 2 to get the 3 2. So it's a little tricky. Now we're going to go to the 2s here in the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Kind of can bar that. Now we're going to go to the 1 and the open here on the 3rd string and 2nd string, and we're going to hammer into these 2s and pull off there. So we got. Then we're going to go to the 2 and the 1 on top and kind of slide into the 4 and the 2 there. Either do it that way, and we're going to hit those 2s in the middle again, back to the 4 2. So that kind of thing. Now we're going to have another one. We go to the 2 and the 1 there. Okay, and then we get into some singing, and we're going to have some added parts to these. So we have. So that one added a couple little chords to it. So we had the 4 2 to the 1 open to the 2s. So that was. And then we're going to go back to the second one. And then the first one again. Now this next one is going to have extra notes at the end of its riff. So that had extra things there. It had a 4 and a 3 basically. What we look at is a 4 and a 3 with this capo. 4 3 to 2 and open on the 2 little ones. Okay, and then we're going to hit this little chord here. This is a G major 7. And then we're going to go to a D major 7. So heading into the first verse, we're going to have. We're going to start strumming that chord. And then we're going to go to this other chord. And then we're going to have the riff. Keep on the strumming, and then we'll just have a normal riff, and then strum that chord, and then so here we have a real cool riff at the end there. After we hit this chord, we have. Okay, so that's way up here. We're going to call this like the 10 and the 9 to the 9 and 7 to the 9s in the middle strings, 7s, and then 6 on the G string, open on the small string, down to this 2 down here. So we got. So here we get into the chorus. And that one is 2 1 2 0, that chord. 0 2 2 2 2 1 2 0. So we go back and forth between these a few times. Whoa, 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 whoa. So here we have this F sharp minor chord. And then we're going to move to this different chord. It's going to be, this is going to be like 4th fret, 5th, 6 and 6, so 6 6 5 4. Then we're going to have this next chord. This is going to be like 6 4 7 4. Kind of a little suspended thing. And that's going to take us into this E minor, little 2 3 4 4. And up 2 frets, the F sharp minor. And it's going to go 4 times back and forth between these. Now this 4th time, you're going to hit this one again. And then we're going to go back to this chord. So when we come from this last E minor to F sharp, hit an extra F sharp minor, and then we're gonna have the riff. But we're gonna start on that lower one this time. And then we go to that one. And as the verse comes back in, we're gonna have those little extra notes. And then with those extra ones. And then we have a normal one without the extra stuff. And then we have one with a little bit of extra stuff. And then we have the chorus. Down to the second fret. Now this fourth one, we have an extra one of these. And then back to this. And then to that lower chord. And then throw in whatever you like, then you're going towards the fade out. So it's really cool, fun. It's challenging and fun to try to play that little double note thing on through all this. All right, so I hope you all dug that. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. That was Ventura Highway by America. Talk to you soon. Thanks.